Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, July 21st. Another muggy day here in the I-95 corridor. Temperatures this afternoon should approach the 90-degree mark up and down the I-95 corridor. Not quite as hot as the past couple of days, and indeed, a big change is coming tonight. The passage of a cool frontal system will usher in a much more comfortable air mass in the overnight hours, and it looks like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and right into the weekend should be pretty comfortable here in D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City. Plenty of sunshine Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with comfortable temperatures and humidity levels. Well, the passage of the cool front could spark a few showers, perhaps a thunderstorm or two later on this afternoon. Here's the current surface map, and here is the main frontal system of interest right here, cutting across the Ohio Valley right now. We'll take a look at the radar in a moment. There are a few scattered showers and perhaps an embedded thunderstorm or two just to the west of the I-95 corridor. It does not look like a widespread heavy rain type of event. It does not look like a severe weather outbreak is expected this afternoon with this frontal passage, but certainly can be a shower or a thunderstorm in parts of the I-95 corridor. Once this frontal system passes through early this evening, high pressure now centered over the central plains will move into the northeastern part of the country, and again, it looks like a very nice stretch of weather from Wednesday through Friday and perhaps right into the upcoming weekend. Well, one of the reasons it will not be quite as hot today as the past couple of days is lots of clouds here in the mid-Atlantic region. More clouds and sunshine today. That'll hold down temperatures a little bit. Again, likely afternoon highs not far from the 90-degree mark as compared with the low to mid-90s over the past couple of days. Right now we have lots of clouds throughout the I-95 corridor region. There is even a little bit of scalloping right here. We'll see the radar in a moment. A patch of showers, perhaps a rumble of thunder right here across eastern West Virginia and the western areas of Maryland. And that could affect parts of the D.C. metro region over the next few hours. Let's now take a look at the radar loop. And here it is, that little patch of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two crossing over in eastern West Virginia. Could cut across the northern part of the D.C. metro region by the latter part of the morning, midday hours. Certainly a shower or a thunderstorm anywhere along the I-95 corridor during the midday and afternoon hours. Again, does not look like a widespread heavy rain event, and it does not look like a severe weather event. In the overnight hours, probably before that, later on this evening, we'll start to notice drier air moving in following the passage of a cool frontal system. Phillies play at 7 o'clock tonight. Probably no problems with that particular game in South Philly. Again, drier air moves into the latter part of the evening. Certainly noticeable change in air mass by the time everybody wakes up tomorrow morning. Well, let's take a look at a few computer forecast maps from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. These are 6-hour increments from early this afternoon until early tomorrow morning. By this afternoon, that frontal system approaching the East Coast right about this time. Some residual moisture behind the frontal system here. Again, not a heavy rain event. GFS is producing some light rainfall across northwestern Pennsylvania, perhaps a little bit moderate stuff that we're seeing right now on the radar across eastern West Virginia. Let's now jump ahead 6 hours. And here's the forecast map for early tonight around 7, 8 o'clock this evening. That frontal system at the surface, right at the coast. And again, some precipitation in the form of showers and perhaps an embedded thunderstorm or two depicted by the GFS model for much of eastern Pennsylvania and parts of the I-95 corridor. Most places may see a shower or a thunderstorm, but not everybody is guaranteed to get hit by rainfall this afternoon. Again, we are not expecting a widespread heavy rain event. Well, here's the forecast map for late tonight after midnight. By this time, the front moves off the East Coast. Drier air already starting to pour in. Again, the latter part of the evening should turn out quite nice. A noticeable change in the humidity levels, perhaps by 9, 10 o'clock tonight in the I-95 corridor. Certainly everybody will experience a much different air mass by the time they wake up by tomorrow morning. Let's now jump ahead to the forecast map for early Wednesday morning. And here it is. By this time, the front is well off the coast. High pressure starting to build into the northeastern part of the country. A light northwesterly flow of air, a much different air mass later on tonight and on Wednesday. That pleasant weather will continue Thursday and Friday and probably Saturday as well. The next chance for showers and thunderstorms after this afternoon will come late Sunday or Sunday night. So a nice stretch of weather coming with comfortable temperatures and humidity levels from later on this evening right through the end of the work week and into the weekend. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.